So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday, the 8th of December. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where they might possibly go. So we did have a gap up in the market. We did come into the resistance around at 112.77. We traded all the way up to 113.04. Level marks out here in orange. We did see a breakdown in prices. Retest of 77. Then we saw a further breakdown of prices. Coming all the way down into the gap close. We did find some support there. Broke it back above the 400 period moving average. We've had a test of that 12.52. We didn't see much of a reaction. We tested at 12.77. We did see a bit of a reaction there, pulled back, but it built up enough momentum from the pullback for a break, and we did break above the previous highs earlier in the week. So we do look poised for more upside continuation due to the fact that, in light of the most recent trend, the fact that we have come down into dynamic levels of support in around the 200 400 period moving average. We have seen breaks of the 112.52 and 112.77. So the next level that we are looking at is all in and around this 113.56. So the very next level that we are targeting potentially is at 113.56. We're currently 31 or so pips away. Potentially 31 or so pips away. So we'll see our price react to 13.56, where we do see some sell side momentum possibly taking us all the way back down towards that 113.04 to that 112.77. If we do see a strong break of that 113.56, we'll be looking for prices target at 114.30. 114.30, very strong level. I will show you that on the daily chart. Now, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, and we don't retest 113.56, we'll see if 113.04 holds, beyond which we're looking for 112.77, 112.52, or potentially we'll be looking to see our prices react in around this 112.15. 112.15 weekly pivots that we have seen a few reactions from previously. So we did have the prices closed there the previous week before gapping up. And again, we did find support in around that 112.15 to 112 before we did see some buy side momentum come into the market. Chart's looking a bit messy here. Let me just clean up this chart. So we did come down into that 112.15 before finding some support before we did see the move to the upside. But overall, we do look poised for more upside momentum. But again, if further breakdown prices, we could potentially see price set towards that 112.15 coupled with the 200 and 400 period moving average. Further action is a possible confluence for a move possibly to our 112.52 if we do trade down to 112.15 and 112.77. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we did mention previously the 114.30, why it's important, as we can see here. And as we can see here, from that 114.30, we did see a sell-off. And we're just marking these on the charts. We did see sell-offs on that 114.30, so it is a strong level. Now we've come down to this 111. We've had a strong move to the upside. We have had a bit of indecision, a bit of a pullback, but we have seen this this very strong bullish candle closing near its high. And currently, we are seeing a continuation so far. So we do look poised for a test of 113.56, a successful navigation from which we'll be looking for that 114 before looking at 114.30, which we have had a triple top at previously. Now, on this daily chart, so we've had these sell-offs, but this is potentially a higher low. So we've got a low down there, higher low. It's higher than this low over here. It's higher than this low over here as well. So we've got these lows, but this is a higher low. So potentially, as we've mentioned in previous videos, once the level's tested several times, we usually see a break. So potentially on this occasion, when we do eventually get to 114.30, we could potentially see a break, and then after which we'll be talking about 114.74. Beyond that, we're looking for that 115. But first, we have to first get up to that 114.30. That's the first thing. After which we'll see how prices behave around at 114.30. Now, with that said, that's wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.